Part 2. Ito, ayun. Sinusubukan kong lalakasin yung boses ko. Sana marinig niyo. Ito, sa mga fangirl friends ko, chinlen bias talaga ako. Ito, tapos ayun, Yamachi. Hmm, hindi ko alam yung purpose ng paggawa ng video na to. Ewan ko kung bakit. Nasa, pasensya na sa mga weird faces ko. Ano, mannerism ko talaga yun. At saka, wala talaga akong gustong sasabihin. Sana lang matagal ako sa fandom. Ano, para itong final message. What? Ito, kay, sa, wala akong maisip. Ito, kay Koki. Kay Koki. Sana naman, he will learn from his past. Ito, let us hear our English ko. Ako talaga, ako mismo nawiweird sa English speaking ko kasi, ewan, parang ang Filipino, yung accent. Dapat talaga aaral ako ng IELTS para ma-fluent yung English ko. Sa tingin ko, fluent yung English ko, pero hindi naman. Ewan ko. So, for Tanaka Koki, I just really wanted to say that I hope you'll come back. I don't really want anyone to leave a group, especially for 10 years. It's so long. For me, 10 years is like, oh my gosh, minus 6 of my life. Lol. And, wait, if you want to see a clearer view of myself, just wait. There's really none, I guess. It can show a normal face of me. Guess this is better. And yeah, I'm wearing pink. Yay, pink. And I'm sorry for my messy hair. This is my hair since this morning, and they say it looks better on me. Better. So, and usually when I do my hairstyles, they last until the night. So for my fangirl friends, hi there. I'm Riza. And for the others who knew me, Raiti desu. I really wanted to speak in Japanese, but it's so weird. I don't know if that was me. And yeah, if ever I can post this online, I'm very sorry for those weird Japanese words that I am saying, and pardon me for my hair, bangs, and what's up, French. I'm kind of a narcissist, so it runs in my hands that they have to look perfect. I don't know why I was born this way. And for my school, if you wanna ask how's my school, just the same for these 4 years of my life. It's been stressful but fun, and I really wish I won't leave that school. If ever I would leave, I wish we could still stay with my classmates and those memorable moments. And for my fangirl friends, I'm very sorry for my English. Yeah, I I guess I also find it weird to hear myself talking to a laptop and speaking in English. I guess this is the best that I can get. Um, um, For my fandom, yeah. Um, I guess my super ichi is Jimin. I love him so much. Makes me cry. And, oo nga pala. Thank you kay Marine. Bumabalik na ako sa Tagalog. Tsaka yun, ang weird ng Tagalog accent ko. Thank you kay Marine. Kasi ginawa niya ako ng story, fanfic. Ay, kinikilig ako dun. Lalo na sa kisinsinan. Sayang naman, namatay siya sa huli. Umiiyak ako, tapos ang sarap patayin si Buta. Oo nga pala, ang tawag ko sa Heisei Jump, ito, Chinan yung ichi ko. Ang tawag ko sa kanya, Baba. Baba pala, lavi-davi. Utot, meaning short or pandak. Handsome, heaven. Heaven. Heaven talaga yung mukha niya eh. Tsaka kay Butay, siya yung Niban ko. Niban. Buta talaga. Buta o bakla o bayot. Ewan ko kung bakit. Gusto kong umasar ng hindi ichi ko. Kasi yung ichi ko love ko eh. Tsaka yung sunban ko. Ewan ko kung sunban ko pa siya o hindi. Parang wala nang sunban. Yung sunban ko si Keito, ayun, muscle man, ang gwapo niya. Pero walang makakatalo kay Jimin. Sa Heisei 7, tapos yung tatlo, gusto niyang marinig yung, hindi na lang, yung Bisaya ko. Ito, kung gusto niyang marinig kahit konti, subukan ko. Ganahan kay kung Jinan, kay Butan, dili man siya nga nag-meet, pero muna siya Butan, bagya. Wapo dito kayo, hindi mo-take. Then, after anak kay, lang cute dito kayo siya. Ganahan kay kung mga cute nga tao, it's so weird. Yan. Ni Hande /Jaya/Gia Yamada /Hanchan. What? Hi. Sure ko makita jud ka ani kay stalker man jud ka todo. And stay strong with that bayot. Ugma na ba ya or makaron ba October 10 or 11? Ay, mansari nila nya kami kay nakamansari namin nya. Wala lang gyapon na na itabo. Ay, babay kayo siya, pero wala niya gipanindigan niyang fangirl status. I mean, iyang role-playing status. So, ano yung silbi akong gibuwag. Sa mga hindi makaintindi, ibaliwalay na lang yung sinasabi ko kanina kasi mga asar. At saka, anong oras na ngayon? Alas 5 na. 5 o'clock. Ito. Ngayon, nagda-download ako ng Sexy Zone Bye Bye Dubai. Nakita ko yung sa Weibo. Ang generous talaga ng mga tao sa Weibo. Kasi, ayun, nag-share. Kahit random yung mga kukuha mo. Malapit na pala mag 10 minutes. Ko alam. 15 minutes na yung ginagawa ko sa pagsasalita sa sarili. Oo nga pala, nakalimutan ko yung microphone scandal. But, sana marinig ko yung lahat ng rants ko. Oo nga pala kay Ariana-chan. Ito, yung picture ni Chinan at saka ng Heisei Jump na HD. May nakita na sana ako kaso nawala ng internet. Ayun, nawala naman yung mga pictures. Hanapin ko ulit. Ah, ang, ang ganda ni Jimin dun. Tapos, ayun, walang internet, hindi na ma-upload. Tsaka yung mga pictures dun sa Thailand, yung papapic niya, yung nasa stage sila, ang gwapo nila doon. Hey, say jump, nahirapan ako kung 10 jump or 9 jump yung pipiliin ko kasi gusto ko naman yung 10 jump kaso ang bata nilang tingnan doon. Oo, pero gusto ko naman si Yutaro andun eh. Pero, pero gusto ko din naman yung 9 jump kasi ang 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 gwapo nila dun eh. Nagmamature. Iba kasi kapag mature at the childhood days, natatakot ako baka may aakyat dito sa second floor ko lang kasi nandito sa taas. Ayun, wala na talaga akong masasalita. Ang dami ko nang sinasalita na language yun. Um, yun bang sinasabi nilang multilingual, baka yun eh. Oo, nag-aral ako ng Japanese pero hindi pa ako masyadong expert sa pagsasalita. Tsaka yung English ko, I really don't like my English. It's so weird. It has a weird accent. I'm sure it's not Filipino, but it's not British or American accent. I'm just trying to speak English, and I should call this my own accent. And yung Filipino ko, napaka-weird. Sana ma-appreciate niyo din yung Philippines. Yung Bisaya ko. Yun talaga yung mother tongue ko. Parang yun lang yung gusto kong sabihin. Sa mga kay Chinen, message ko kay Chinen. Chinen, kahit hindi mo maintindihan to, sana ma-reach out sa'yo to. Tsaka yung English ko kasi mas may nalalaman akong English. Yuri-kun, Chinen, parang Chinen-kun, it's been like 8 months since I first laid my eyes on you. Black eyes, and I don't know. I don't really know why I got to choose you instead of that big Yamada. um, and I really wish we can meet someday, and I can hold your hand. And I wish you can have a concert here in the Philippines. Ha, yeah. I'm just having fun here. I'm so bored. And yeah, aside from that, I really like how you become mature and cool, cute at the same time. What catches me most is your cuteness. And I wish we could really meet someday. I shall become a fangirl, a good one. Or I shall become a writer or a parrot. I will stop your private life if I would, and I should. And that. I really regretted that I ignored your images. My history of Heisei Jump was um, I just saw it through Tumblr confessions, and yeah, I got to saw Yamada's face, Yamada-chan. Then he was like Yama-chan is here and Nishito Yukito is here. So it's like the child of Yamachi is the Yamada is compared to the child of Yamachi in terms of acting. That's why I got interested in Yamada. That's why I searched for that, and then Macy Jump appeared, and I searched for your faces in Google, but I didn't know why. Um, I, I didn't know why um, I shoo your beautiful faces. I got to realize them in my late third year, this year, 2013, and the first TV I saw was over. Uh, you were so cute there, and then I like your jumper so much. I wish that um everything I do won't be until edits only. I wish we could really be boyfriends and girlfriends, which only happens in dreams because it's so hard for a fangirl to become a wife of a superstar and idol. So I'm just fine supporting you as long as you pick a new or a bet person than me. Because if not, then I will really go to Japan and steal you away from that girl that you chose, even though I will become the hater of all. But I guess a lot of people will understand me for my craziness over you. I guess I will never get over you. I still Chinan. So, yun yung medyo mataas na message ko para kay Chinan. May kutob ako na hindi niya makita to. Kilo. Ito, yun, malapit ng mag alas 6, 1 hour to go. Um, Gambatin sa mga nag-aaral ngayon. Um, um, talagang mas speechless ako. Tsaka, um, sana naman nire-respeto niyo ako kahit konti lang as a fangirl, as a friend, as a student. Um, Sana lang magkikita tayo someday. Ayun, lumalalim ko naman yung boses ko. Pasensya na talaga. Um, Sana na, from the bottom of my trench heart, um, sana magkikita tayong mga fangirls. Tsaka sasabay tayong pupunta sa Japan para magpunta sa concert, mag-play. Kung sa makikita nating poster, city, stadium, o kaya sila mismo yung Heathrow Jump. Yung, hindi ko nasa 20 minutes na pala. Ayak. So, ayun. Out na ako. Bye. Ooh.